Some people say, oh, my child has mild autism. Some say, my child has borderline autism. Some say, no, 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 there are some traits. A parent of a child supposedly with mild autism looks like this with towards a parent, towards the child who has more difficulties. Your child will overcome difficulties or the symptoms that cause difficulties in autism at a faster pace as compared to another kid who has been categorized as moderate or severe. Hello, everybody. Rajni here from Sashakt Empowering Lives. So, today's topic is mild autism. This is the most searched topic worldwide, and so we decided to make a video on this. Uh, amongst the autism fraternity, also, there is a lot of confusion. Mm, some people say, oh, my child has mild autism. Some say, my child has borderline autism. Some say, no, 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 there are some traits. They don't want their child to mingle with a child that has moderate autism or severe autism. And in between the autism fraternity also, there are so many divisions. And then they go ahead and they search, is my child mild? Okay, now, here's the point, autism is autism. A child may need extra support, more support, have higher amount of problems. Yeah. So people go ahead and name it like severe autism, profound autism. They might have extreme sensory difficulties. Doesn't mean they don't feel, they don't think. They may not be able to talk. Okay. Doesn't mean they are not able to hear, unless of course they have a hearing deficiency. But if the impairment, if unless of course they have a hearing impairment, but if there is no hearing impairment and they can't talk, doesn't mean they can't hear and they can't understand. Yeah. So, and they cannot decipher our facial expressions, and when we look at them like this and we don't want our kid to mingle with that kid because that kid is stimming, as the most horrible thing uh, to do as a parent of a child with autism to another parent of a child with autism. Come on, guys. We are all in the same boat. And like they say, karma, what goes around comes around. So when a parent of a child supposedly with mild autism, yeah, looks like this with towards a parent, towards the child who has more difficulties, then please understand this and remember this. You are sending the vibes in the universe that will exactly boomerang and come back to you. And a neurotypical will look at the parent of a neurotypical will look at your kid the same way like this, and you are not going to like it then. Okay? So have the empathy in your heart. We are the ones who make these lines. This is mild, this is moderate, this is severe, this is profound, this is borderline. Autism is autism and it's a spectrum. So certain difficulties and certain children will have higher amount of difficulties. Doesn't mean they cannot overcome them. It only means they will take longer. Mild autism means if you are a dedicated parent, if you are there to use the strategies and the skills, your child will overcome difficulties or the symptoms that cause difficulties in autism at a faster pace as compared to another kid who has been categorized as moderate or severe. It's just that, which means the cluster of difficulties in your kid's case are lesser. Okay, the attention span is less as opposed to a neurotypical, but more as opposed to a child that has moderate or maybe severe difficulties. Only that. Okay, so it's a continuum. Somebody's here, somebody's here. That's it. Rest, the same symptoms of autism. If you have a diagnosis of autism, the child has the symptoms. Okay, so I don't want to get into DSM-5 criteria. You know, if autism is there, there'll be language deficit, there'll be social areas deficit, there will be mental image formation difficulties, schooling issues, certain kind of stims, certain kind of atypical behaviors, there will be sensory issues. Only the magnitude of all of these, the magnitude and depth of the problem at hand will be slightly lesser than that of a mild or a severe. So please, people, have empathy. If you are struggling and you are in pain, somebody is struggling more and they are more in pain. What should they get from you? A sympathetic hand on their shoulder? Not sympathetic, I'm wrong. An empathetic hand on their shoulder? And how may I help you? Because you know what it feels like. You know where it hurts. You are in the same boat. Not that. Yeah? So praise the Lord if your child has lesser problems. At the same time, work on the problems to resolve the problems. At the same time, be available to another parent in action and spirit, whatever little you can do. Yeah? We all have our circumstances and we can't go beyond them. But at least in spirit, okay? Be available to another person for that person to feel, okay, I'm not alone. Don't shun them in the dark because theirs is a severe, oh my God, look at that child, he has severe autism. So, oh my God, look at your child, he has mild autism. Somebody neurotypical will say like that. Then how you will feel? Yeah? So never get into segregations. Let children play together. Help whichever way you can. The only way you can help is when you are empowered. The only way I am able to help people is because I have empowered myself. And that's what I want you to do. Empower yourself. We are a community. Let us be like that community of elephants. All the adults around, babies in the middle, so that no lion can attack a baby and kill it. Yeah? There is so much to learn from animals. Yeah? Mild autism means, in simple words, your child has less problems, which means you need to have more gratitude, which means you need to be totally enthusiastic, work every day, consistently, because you know you'll have to put in less number of man hours as compared to another person who's less fortunate than you to reach where you want to reach. That's about it. I hope you liked the topic today. Like, subscribe, share with somebody who will benefit from this. And in the description, there are links to everything we do, from lives to masterclass to the app to the books to the material to the strategies. Stay connected, learn, help your child. Mild, moderate, severe, profound, borderline, they're still our children and we love them. They're kids first and then anything else. I'll see you another time with another topic. Bye bye.